Good afternoon, everybody. How are you all doing? It's about 2:30. We're on Tuesday the 5th of April. Hope you're all doing well. Just going for a little walk around the town, really. Weather's not too good. It's a bit windy and a bit cold. First of all, thank you to everybody that's subscribed recently. Appreciate that. I hope you're going to enjoy the channel. And yeah, just got a few things to do in town, so take you with me, show you around. Hope this weather's going to improve by Easter, so I can get out and about, do some sightseeing, as they say. Just another glimpse of how the hotel's oh, excuse me, how the hotel there's progressing. Oh dear me. You probably all know this place over here, Mr. Bazzaris. All you can eat buffet. It does get a lot of good reviews, and it gets a lot of mixed reviews about the food quality. But overall, it's a very good place and very reasonable to eat. So I'm sure you all know about it. But if you don't, get yourself in here to Mr. Bazzaris. Yeah, it's just there. I'd recommend it anyway. Got this blowy again. Yeah, we're just on Cookson Street. So we'll wander down here. In front of me there is the Regent Antiques and Collectors Market. I've done a video on that a few videos back. Very interesting place. So if you've just joined the channel and you haven't had a look at it, have a look at it. It's well worth a visit. You possibly spend over an hour in there just walking around. It's very, very interesting. Even if you don't want to buy anything, it's worth a visit. So most of you that watch my channel know I've been in there. But again, people new to my channel, go and have a look. Even if you're cold and you just want to warm up or it's raining, you'll come out there. Presently Supplies has got 3 floors. Don't miss the 3rd floor, the attic floor. It's very easy to miss the 3rd floor. And it's got a little cafe in there as well. Well worth a visit. Hello. Well, I had to delay that video in town because I had a lot of shopping to do and bits and pieces. So I went home with it and I've come back out again. But we're now on 4 o'clock. So there was a bit of a gap there. But it's rough here. I'm just going to go down on the front. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me very well. So I'm just up the top now. So I thought I'd just let you know I'm back. It's empty. The place is empty now. Apologies if you don't hear me that well. We'll drop down on the front and give you a close look at the sea. It's pretty rough here in Blackpool. You can hear me. Pretty rough out there. Just up at North Pier now. Very quiet out here.
Race number 4 past the halfway mark there, followed by 7, followed by 6, followed by 3. Race number 4 near there, number 4 is your winner.
No ice creams being sold today. Let's have a quick wander through the town. Yeah, sorry about earlier on. I was set off by the station doing a video and got sidetracked with a few things. So I went home and I've come back out again, as you do when it's cold and windy. So I hope you're all doing well anyway. You should be able to hear me now anyway. Yeah, I thought I'd go out again and just have a quick wander and get a video in for you. I do hope it improves for Easter. The town needs it for business. It's quite late in the year, Easter as well. Let's have a wander up here, show you around. I think there's some school holidays in place in certain areas at the moment.
Oh, wait inside. Blackpool.
No, I just want to see it. Don't worry. You're all right, yeah. Oh, no.
We're St John's Square now. Yeah, it feels very eerie and weird, it does. Just a short walk round anyway. Say hello to everybody. Thank everybody for the views and the new subscribers. Yeah, time's getting on now. It's very quiet here in town. Yeah, it's not nice out here now. It's very drizzly. Very drizzly. Just on Dixon Road now. Looking down to Queen Street there. It never did open. If you stand in this area, or on the front, round the Claremont, Tiffany's area, This shop here, Best One, is open 7 days a week to midnight. So if you need that extra snack or that extra beer, this is the place to come. Yeah, it's on Dixon Road and it's off Cocker Street. And that's Cocker Street there. Always worth knowing where you can get something late to eat or drink. Yeah, this is Dixon Road. Just turn you around, pan you around. Right, I'm going to leave the video there. I hope you enjoyed that one. Thank you again for all your support on the channel. And I'll catch you all again very soon. Goodbye for now.